welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit from Luvmehair. Now y'all brace yourself because this unit is so cute. This is their Boho-Chic Flowy Bohemian curly unit. Now this is a 5x5 closure, okay? So as always, I love to share with you guys all the amazing goodies that I get in my box. You guys should also be receiving the same stuff. Here she is, you guys. She is so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, as we're transitioning into the colder season, especially fall, I feel like this unit is so cute. She does come with 2 combs on the side, one at the bottom and one in the middle, and she also comes with adjustable strap, and she also comes with an elastic band, and the elastic band is adjustable. So girl, your wig is pretty secured for the most part. Now this is a glueless unit wig. Now she's also a 20-inch unit, so yeah, you're pretty secured. You don't have to glue her down if you don't want to, but if you want to melt her down even more, I would recommend to just grab your Got2b spray. You don't have to spray so much, just spray it like on your finger and then just place it on top of that lace and she should melt pretty nicely. So I am just applying my foundation onto the lace. I always recommend, if you don't want to really tint your lace like back in the day, because I feel like not a lot of people tint their lace with the whole liquid and all that good stuff. They just tint their lace with a foundation powder or a liquid foundation, and then they set it with a foundation powder like how I do it here. So this is how the unit looks without it being pre-plugged, y'all. It's already plugged, so this unit does come customized, okay? So you don't really have to do much, but y'all know how I do it on this channel. I love to go back in and just tweak it to my own liking. Again, you don't have to customize this unit at all. She comes already customized, so she's literally the perfect throw on and go kind of unit, literally. Y'all see this unit on? The hairline looks amazing, y'all. Like, are you kidding me? It looks so good, and this is with the unit on my head without me gluing it down, and it looks amazing. The parting space looks good as well. So what I'm gonna do is grab this Tresemme mousse and also my bottle, and this bottle does have deep conditioner in there. And I'm just spraying this unit down, mixing it with the Tresemme mousse because I wanted to refresh the unit, although you don't need to do this. And then I did go ahead and grab my blow dryer just to dry it down. You can let it sit overnight, but girl, I wanted to throw this unit and style her the same day. And I think it just looks really, really, really pretty. The curls still looked very nice after drying it down. So yeah, this unit is a solid 10 out of 10. Finally, the moment that we all have been waiting on is cutting this lace off. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I have been enjoying some 5x5 units, y'all. It's so easy to maintain. You don't have to glue the whole entire freaking head down pretty much, and it's just easy. You know, it's one of those units that you just throw on, create a little bit of baby hair if you like that, and you can just hit the door. And I love that. So these units are also perfect for girls who are, I wouldn't say lazy, but like I'm becoming lazy to do my hair. So just throw it on and you want something, this is the unit for you. And style her however you want, this is the unit for you, okay? I am going to have all the details in the description box, so definitely check that out. She looks stunning. The makeup is on, and I love it. It turned out really nicely, y'all. For me to do less work to this unit and for it to turn out this good, I am just like, yeah, 10 out of 10 for me. Love it. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll pena sana, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.